Your ghost remains in every sound. Between the synths, beneath the beat. I searched for you, but never found. A trace of warmth, a pulse, a heat. Every sound, 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 every Your ghost remains in every sound. Between the synths, beneath the beat. Rhythm holds where words erase, a pulse that speaks in place of sound. I find you in that silent space, then lose you in the beat unwound. A secret lost in chords and steel, I left it there for you to find. But nothing now is left to feel, just fading code and fractured mind. Rhythm holds what words erase, a pulse that speaks in place of sound. Fading light behind the door. A voice that's barely holding shape. We built this world, then asked for more. Then watched it glitch and rearrange. The night responds in waves of blue. A soundless cry from deeper space. I feel the loss when I touch you. And chase the echo of your face. Stars are dead, the moon is fake. Yet somehow still we chase the flame. A dream we shared begins to break. But I alone recall your name. The stars are dead, the moon is fake. A dream we shared begins to break. The moon is fake. Synthetic rain. Your breath a loop I couldn't stop. The moment burned into my brain, then vanished with the final drop. The silence wraps me like a skin. It knows the thoughts I tried to hide. No matter how I try, you win. Still dancing just beyond the tide. We kiss beneath synthetic rain.